Yo, you never guess what I saw the other day.
Oh, what did you see?
I saw a dead baby bird just lying on the ground.
You saw a dead baby bird?
Yeah. And you know what it said to me?
What did it say to you?
It said,
I'm a dead baby bird, and I'm falling from my tree, and I'm waiting on the ground for something to come and eat me. I'm a dead baby bird, and I'm falling from my tree, and I'm waiting on the ground for something to come and eat me. I'm a dead baby bird, and I'm falling from my tree, and I'm waiting on the ground for something to come and eat me. I'm a dead baby bird, and I'm falling from my tree, and I'm waiting on the ground for something to come and eat me.
You saw what? He said what?
I saw a dead baby bird.
You saw a
On the
dead
ground.
baby bird? And he
Yeah,
said
I saw a dead
he
baby
spoke
bird.
to you.
He certainly
And it
did.
was on the ground.
He spoke to me. Yeah, and he said it was on the ground. What he said was, he only said the one thing.
Something like
he said,
this. I'm a dead baby bird, and I'm falling from my tree, and waiting on the ground for something to come and eat me. I'm a dead baby bird, and I'm falling from my tree, and I'm waiting on the ground for something to come and eat me. I'm a dead baby bird, and I'm falling from my tree, and I'm waiting on the ground for something to come and eat me. I'm a dead baby bird, and I'm falling from my tree, and I'm waiting on the ground for something to come and eat me.
Oh, yeah. That sounds interesting. I'm gonna go now. See you later.
all right, mate. Goodbye.